So as I read each character, please repeat after me in a loud voice so you'll also get used to the sound, okay? Na, ni, nu, ne, no, na, ni, nu, ne, no. So our first character is na. So please imagine that this part here is a person and this is a knot. A person holding a knot. Okay? Person holding a long knot. Okay? Knot. Knot. And this is na. Knot. Na. Okay? So let's write na. So na has 4 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is stop, stop, brush up, stop. Okay? Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So our next character is ni. Okay, so please imagine that this character is like a human knee. Okay?
So I'm gonna draw a knee, that,
A knee. And this is ni. Ni, ni. Okay? So let's write ni. Ni has 3 strokes. 1, 2, 3. This is brush up, stop, stop. Again. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So our next character is nu. So please imagine that this character is a noodle. Okay? So this part is a chopsticks holding or clipping a noodle. Okay? A noodle. Nu, nu, noodle. Nu. So let's try to write nu. So nu is quite difficult, so it needs more practice and patience, okay? 1. This one's a little bit shorter than the second stroke, okay? 2. This is stop and stop, okay? 1, 2. Okay? So our next character is ne. Okay, so please imagine that this character is a sitting cat. Okay? Ta-da! A sitting cat. So cat in Japanese is neko. Neko. Okay? Neko. So I believe that you can all read this already because we've done this previously, right? The ko. Okay. And this is ne. So ne, a sitting cat, neko. Okay? So let's write ne. Okay? 1, 2. Okay, stop, stop. Again, 1, 2. Maybe you won't get confused with these two characters, but just in case, please remember that nu has chopsticks, okay? A chopstick holding a noodles, okay? Our next character is no. So by remembering the no sign, it will be easier to memorize this character. So let's write no, okay? Slant, round, release. Okay, release. Again, 1, release. It's easy. Again. Okay,